Hi, I'm Randall Barney, WTA's Membership Director. We're at IBC speaking with industry executives about the impact and evolution of new technologies in the teleport services and technologies segment.
Well, number one, we're now in digital, and we passed through from analog teleports all the way through to the digital teleport. And delivery today, it's just not a turnaround or redelivery over satellite. And we take in content. In our case, we use the Simulsat, and we harvest the content in our transport technology that we put together, the everts, and we deliver that to all the screens. So we go to DTH, we go to cable TV, go to OTT, and really we're all about OTT now and delivering that to user algorithms. So that's kind of our concept. And that's the transition that's been so great from the early days of just putting it up on satellite one to many. Well, clearly, IPization, that having that toolkit and understanding the transition from baseband, and then having the facility to do that transition. So we believe that what we put together is the leading edge of what we see in the marketplace today. We can bring in just about any format, and we can transcode that out, multi-format over the OTT, and really help people monetize. And monetization is probably the biggest key. Can you do that? And the other idea is, can you do that and make money at it? So OTT now, from our standpoint, is really utilizing the best of satellite, kind of a best of breed of technology, and delivering that to what people want, when they want it, how they want it. No doubt that the majority of what we have on the delivery and the bandwidth that we're involved with today is all fiber bandwidth. So delivering GigEs, multiple GigEs, managing those fiber networks, and then literally whatever we have in our repository. In our case, we use SpectraLogic devices, and then we use the everts MAM system to deliver that, our play out on the mediator. All of these areas, we can take in just about anything, and then we can push that out to what the market's demanding at the moment, even if it's random, different languages. I think also what the WTA is doing on certification is very powerful for us. So I think as long as people know that we're a first-class provider, we put in millions of dollars in infrastructure to provide services that can help people make money. I really think that understanding, market analytics and what the user's looking for, and working with the content creators and providers. Content is still king, but leadership also on delivering those models to people and into their distribution. We talk about MVNO, multi-video operators, and sending it to MVNOs, models that really work well, and delivering that content at a reasonable price, creating the ad insertion capability, geolocation models that provide ads where they are and what they might need. A teleport today has to really be that and be those guys, and I think that's what we're saying is we are those guys, and we're here to help the market grow and transform into an IP delivery.